Okay, so question 1G. So they're positive. Okay, that's in italics. Great. Positive real numbers x and y, which solve the equations. 2x plus ky equals 4 and x plus y equals to k for, what values of k. Fine, cool question. All right, so simultaneous equations again. So now let's think about the possible, cases of, how many solutions that simultaneous equations can have. Well, first case is that, they intersect at one point. That's the normal case, right? And there are two other cases where you have infinitely many solutions, when the two equations are the same or they're the multiples of each other, or they can have no solutions when they're parallel to each other, with a different, constant. So in that case, we have to consider two things. First case is like infinitely many, right? Infinitely many. Okay, let's consider that first. So for this to be infinitely many, then 2 times this, you have to get that. Okay, and by observation, k equals to 2 yields that, because x plus y equals to 2 is the same as 2x plus 2y equals 4, because you just multiply by the 2 throughout the whole equation, right? So k equals to 2 is a legit solution, because you can find any x and y, any positive x and y would work, right? So B is not good, and D is not good. Okay, so k equals to 2 is a legit solution. Fine. Okay, let's check if there's only one intersection or one solution. Okay, same sort of word. Okay, one intersection. So let's try to solve the equation, right? So how do we solve simultaneous equations? Well, let's do it by substitution, shall we? So x equals to k minus y, let's say. All right. So 2 times k minus y plus ky equals to 4. Okay, well, it's not the hardest equation to solve on Earth, right? So 4 minus 2k, this is k minus 2 of y. Just by expanding and doing your thing and factorizing, trying to make y the subject of the equation. Okay, so y equals 4 minus 2k over k minus 2. Okay, and this actually simplifies, right? This is minus 2. Okay, now we know that for whatever value of k, well, which is not 2, whatever value of k that I chuck in, right, and well, I will get y equals to minus 2 no matter what. Okay, no matter what k I use. Okay, well, the question says they're positive real numbers. Okay, well, y is minus 2, right? So it's already not positive. So that's no good. Okay, so that means that all other values of k, which is not 2, does not work because it yields y equals to a negative value. Right, so in that case, k equals to 2 is the only possible value, right? Infinitely many is the only possible case. I don't even have to find the x, after y equals to minus 2. I don't even care about what x is. X would be k plus 2, right? Because when you chuck in minus 2, then but you don't even have to care what x is. The y just destroys the question already. All right, so k equals to 2 is the only possible k.